In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this text portrait effect in Canva. These are the elements used in the design. Okay, let's get started. I import the image and resize it to fit the page. Crop to the middle of the image. Duplicate it and place it on the image and crop it. We need a small part. Go to Edit. Scroll down to Duotone. Click Custom, and I'll change the highlight color to this color code. Go to Elements. Scroll down to Frames. And from the Letters section, select the letters of your sentence and align them. Duplicate the image and just move it around the frame. And we're going to fill all the frames. It may be hard at first, but with a little practice, it won't be hard anymore, I promise you. To convert virtually any shape into a frame, I recommend watching the tutorial you're currently viewing, because then you can convert any text with any font you want and any graphic image you want into a frame. I think it's great. Click on the frame, crop, and make the image the same size as the original image. Do the same step for all frames. Now I'm going to go to Elements and select Rounded Circle. It needs to change color, so I'm going to Edit. Scroll down to Duotone. Click Custom, and I'll change the highlight color to this color code. Scale it down. Position and send it under the frames layer. Hope you're enjoying what you're seeing. If you do, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. A like on this video is always appreciated, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you know when new videos go live.